Good morning, student. My name is Anand Vijay. Today I start the video lecture with the Excel. In last video lecture, we have just familiar about the Excel sheet. I have put some data and create a file format. That file name is my work, and now we open the my work, and in this video lecture we insert a new record, again deleting the record, formatting the record, filtering the record, like finding the record, sorting the record in ascending and or descending order, how it is possible inside the Excel sheet. I have at first I have filled some data like 21 roll number, Pammi Kumari. is, is the student of class 5 and section E. You have find out this is the in the center position, this also the center, all are center position, but there is the formatting, there is no the border line. Just select it and click on again border line here. You have provide the all borders. You have find out again all our border. Now I have give the show into the role name section in the bold format. So I have click on the B format. I find out. Now I want to provide the font color. You have find out there are the number of font color. Just select it. All the record you have make the selection here and provide the like I want to provide the similar kinds of different color to all the records. Just select all the records and give your different kinds of colors. I have given it. Gradually I want to keep in the bolder format. So I select all the font and show in the bigger format. Just click on here. It is the increased font size. You find out the size is going to the increase. So this is the basic format. If you want to put the background, you have select different kinds of color and define the background. If you want to show the first role name and class and section field in different background, you have select and provide the different background. Now I want to search something. In the search, how it is possible to search? You have go to the last here. In the last, find and select. Find and select. You have click on it and click on find. You have find out here the find dialog box will be appear. I have find the section B. I have put here section B. I click on find next. You have find out where B it can be highlighted. You have find out where the B all the fields it can be highlighted. If you want to select the value like name value Monica, find Monica. Again you want to replace the Monica with Ananya. A-N-A-N-Y Ananya. Y-A. So you have click again find next. Then you have click on replace. You have find out Monica is replaced with Ananya. Again Monica is replaced with where Monica is in the cell, it will be replaced by the Ananya. So it is the find and replace option. Now I want to delete some record. Just select it and click on here delete record. You find out the roll number 2 is carry on. Again we want to delete roll number 9. Just select it and click on delete record. Okay. So student, that's for that's in for the today. These are the formatting related option, that is the common kinds of option you can do practice at home. I have given some clarity with this video lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.